These days it is important to think of your home's overall security. You have to think about your family's safety, and that means upgrading your home security system. You will be off to a good start by installing window roller shutters, and this increases your home's security by a huge percentage. Roller shutters help prevent burglars and outsiders from peeking into your home and discovering its contents. Lock it properly, and you can rest assured that it won't be opened from the outside. These are usually made from tough and durable materials, so it won't budge easily. Roller shutters can also be used for both doors and windows. Installing roller shutters will prevent praying eyes from peeking through your windows. This is especially useful if you have windows facing the street. You also have the option to roll it half away. As they are in the summer. They help keep the warm air inside your house, especially when locked and shut properly. This means using your air conditioning and heating system to a minimum, as air would not be able to escape your home. You will be surprised at the amount that you will save in the long run, and you will surely feel happy with your energy bill each month. Window roller shutters are especially useful for houses along the side of the road, as they can prevent up to 60% of outside noises from coming inside your house. If you want to sleep soundly and peacefully, then you should strongly consider having these installed as soon as possible. Roller shutters are extremely durable, which makes them a good protection from the rain, huge storms, hailstorms, and strong winds. Some shutters are even resistant to fire, which can protect your furniture and important possessions from going up in flames. Roller shutters can instantly spruce up your home from both the outside and the inside. It looks aesthetically pleasing, so watch and be pleased when visitors come by and comment your decorative choices. Since roller shutters have horizontal slats, they are more difficult to clean. Sometimes it would suffice to hose them down with water. However, if you want a deep clean, you would have to find a suitable cleaning material and go through each slat, one by one. There are two types of roller shutters, manual and automatic. Manual roller shutters can be cumbersome to operate, especially when you are in a hurry, while automatic roller shutters are more convenient to operate. They can be more expensive. Aside from that, they also need a reliable power source. Since their system is more complicated, automatic roller shutters also require regular maintenance. Thanks for watching. Until next time.